The SLP student assessments will be administered in two forms: a traditional assessment and an alternative assessment. The traditional assessment is divided into pre and post tests to determine the efficacy of instruction and activity frameworks, and it is designed to determine students' basic prior knowledge of ecology, agriculture, and horticulture, to identify areas of strength and need relative to the components of the universal design for learning, and most significantly, to determine the best evidence based practices to drive instruction. We want to ensure that all students can access curricular content and activity based instructions. Also, we want to determine how students can effectively contribute to the project. The following options serve as accommodations for English language learners, students with disabilities, and gifted students. Students will have the option of taking a traditional pen and paper assessment, digital pictorial tests. Students can click on pictures of correct concepts, or digital tests using tools such as Kahoot or Seesaw. Students will also be able to create a video or audio reflection of what they learn. The Flipgrid app is a great tool for this particular type of assessment. Students also will be able to create an audio or visual diagram. They can do this either physically or digitally. The alternative assessment differs from the traditional assessment. It is a performance based task analysis tool that is used to assess students' abilities to perform tasks that are relative to developing compost and maintaining efficient gardening practices. The performance task analysis rubric is designed to determine student skill levels to assign appropriate and preferred tasks, assess individual students' needs for additional support and task accommodations, also to determine if students master skills that are relevant to composting and gardening practices. The performance task analysis rubric score ranges from 4 to 1. 4 the highest, 1 the lowest. Students who score in the range of 4 to 3 can perform compost and gardening tasks independently or with minimal prompts. Students who score in the range of 2 to 1 will be provided with additional supports and accommodations and paired with advanced students to support with various tasks throughout the SLP. The preferred performance task rubric serves as an accommodation assessment for students with disabilities, English language learners, and gifted students. Students will be given the option of creating a preferred task to contribute to the SLP. This assessment ensures that all students can contribute to composting and gardening tasks related to the service learning project.